going on a run.
Yes, this is my curly hair transformation. And yes, all I need to do is just add water. Now my curls have stretched due to their length and the application of henna. This is a picture of what my hair looks like after a protein treatment. Maybe you can decipher in the comments below what my hair curl pattern is, or was in this case. Today I'm going to help the curls pop by trying the wet look. I researched various methods of this style, and I'm just going to throw what I learned all together. And if my hair gets dry, I'll re-wet it with this mysterious hairspray. Believe me, this is some powerful stuff. Then I'll add a crap ton of hair gel, because this is basically the main product that this style calls for. Let's get started. If you don't know what the wet look is, it's basically an attempt to make your hair look like you just got out of the shower, but for the whole day. And gel helps to achieve this look, but the trick is you have to saturate your whole head with gel so your hair lays down. What I'm doing is applying the gel to my roots first, and then smoothing the rest of my hair out with the hair gel. And then I'm taking the brush and kind of detangling as I go to create more definition on my curls. I smooth the back of my hair down with the brush to make sure everything is laying flat against my scalp. I'm going to go ahead and spray this part down with my super secret hairspray. gonna go ahead and smooth the rest of this back. No peeking. You gotta wait till the big reveal to see the back of my hair. Alright, the gel has been applied all over my hair. We're done with that. We're gonna put this scarf on, wrap it up, and see how this turned out. I went off camera to attempt to slay these baby hairs. I usually don't mess with those at all, and I don't even wear gel in my hair. But one of the methods that I researched on how to achieve this style suggested that you lay your baby hairs so people don't assume that your real hair is a wig. Well, I'm at a loss for words. Let me know in the comments how you think this turned out. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. This is Lydia Ashley signing off.